I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change movie and TV show posters in Plex. Step 1. Open Plex and navigate to the specific movie or TV show you want to update. Step 2. Hover your mouse cursor over the media item and then click the edit icon, which looks like a pencil in the bottom left corner of the image. An edit window will open. If you are already looking at the detailed info screen for a TV show or movie, you can also click the pencil icon located in the row of options near the top. Step 3. Click Poster in the menu on the left side of this window. You will see a grid of all available alternative posters that Plex automatically found for that title. Step 4. Scroll through the available options and click on the poster you prefer. The selected artwork will be highlighted with a check mark. Step 5. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the window. Your new choice will instantly lock in and sync across all of your streaming devices. If you don't like any of the default options Plex provides, you can easily use your own custom image. In that same poster menu, look at the top of the window where it says Choose an Image. You can drag and drop an image file directly into this area, click the option to browse your computer files, or paste a direct URL link to an image you found on Google. Just try to find images with a standard vertical 1 to 1.5 aspect ratio so the picture doesn't look stretched or distorted on your dashboard. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.